Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are fine. Today our topic is unit number 3, frictions review exercise. 4 possible options have been given, encircle the correct one. 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3, denominator same, LCM will be 3, 1 plus 1, 2 over 3 will be answer. 7 over 9 minus 4 over 9, 9 same, 9 LCM denominator will be 9 and 7 minus 4 will be 3. The answer will be 3 over 9. 2 over 3 multiply 5 over 7. Now we multiply 2 5s are 10. Denominator will be 10. 7 3s are 3 7s are 21. Denominator will be 21. Answer will be C, 10 over 21. 5 over 9 plus 1 over 9. When we take the LCM of these two values, where answer will be 9. Now 5 plus 1 is 6 over 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, answer will be B, 2 over 3. Now 7 over 8 plus 5 over 8, denominator same, write 8, 7 plus 5 as it is, 7 plus 5 is equal to 10, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Now answer will be 3 over 2. When we divide 3 by 2, 1 and 1 over 2 will be answer. 1 over 3 plus 2 and 1 over 3. 3 2s are 6, add 1, 7 over 3. Now 1 over 3 comes as it is. Denominator same, write 3 in denominator. 1 plus 7 is 8. When we divide 8 by 3, answer will be 2 and 2 over 3. 1 and 7 over 9 plus 1 and 1 over 9. 9 ones are 9. When we add 7 in 9, answer will be 16. 9 ones are 9, add 1 is 10 over 9. Now LCM of these values is 9. 16 plus 10. Now we add 16 in 10, answer will be 26 dividing by 9. When we divide 26 in 9, 9 2s are 26 in 9. The answer will be 2 and 8 over 9. Question number 4. 7 over 9 minus 5 over 9. Denominator same, we write 9, 7 minus 5. Answer will be 2 over 9. 1 and 1 over 3 minus 2 and 3. 3 ones are 3, add 1. 3 ones are 3, add 1. 4 over 3 minus 2 over 3. Denominator will be 3. Now we minus 4 minus 2. Answer will be 2 over 3. Now 3 and 1 over 12 minus 1 and 1 over 12. 12 3s are 36, add 1, 37 over 12. Minus 12 ones are 12, add 1, 13 over 12. Now LCM will be 12, 37 minus 13, answer will be 24 over 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 2s are 24. Now question number 7. 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4 plus 5 over 4. Now 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4 plus 5 over 4, take the LCM of these values, answer will be 4. Now 1 plus 3 plus 5 in numerator, answer will be 9 over 4. Now we write these 4, 4 and 1 over 4. Now question number 8. Question number 7. 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4 plus 5 over 4. Now the denominator are same. We take 4 as denominator. Add 1 plus 3 plus 5. Answer will be 9 over 4. When we divide 9 by 4, answer will be 2 and 1 over 4. 5 over 7 plus 1 over 7 plus 3 over 7. Now we take the denominator as 7. When we add the values 5 plus 1 plus 3, answer will be 9 over 7. When we dividing by 9 by 7, answer will be 1 and 2 over 7. Question number 9. 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 and 1 over 3. Now 3 ones are 3, add 4, 4 over 3. Answer will be 4 over 3. Denominator are same, we write 2 plus 1 plus 4 dividing by 3. When we add these value 2 plus 1 plus 4, answer will be 7 by 3. When we dividing 3 by 7, answer will be 2 and 1 over 3. Question number 10. 1 over 3 multiply 2 and 1 over 3. 1 over 3 multiply 2 and 1 over 3. 3 2s are 6, add 1, 7 over 3 is equal to 1 over 3 multiply 7 over 3. When we multiply 7 with 1, 3 with 9, 7 ones are 7, 3 threes are 9. Now question number 11, 2 and 3 over 4 multiply 1 over 4. 4 twos are 8, add 3, 11, answer will be 11. Dividing by 4 multiply 1 by 4. When we multiply 11 with 1, answer will be 11, and 4 multiply with 1, answer will be 4. Answer comes 11 over 16. Question number 12, 2 over 7 plus 3 over 7 plus 4 over 7. First of all, we solve the round bracket. 2 over 7 plus 3 over 7 plus 4 over 7. When we add these values, 7 comes denominator, 3 plus 4, answer comes 7. Now we take the LCM of these denominator will be 7. When we add 2 plus 7, answer will be 9. Now we dividing 9 by 7, answer will be 1 and 2 over 7. Question number 13, 2 over 3 multiply 2 over 3 multiply 1 over 3. 2 over 3 multiply 2 over 3 multiply 1 over 3. First of all, we solve the round bracket. 2 ones are 2, 3 threes are 9. When we multiply 2 with 2, answer will be 4, 3 nines are 27, answer will be 4 over 27. Now 3 and 1 over 2 dividing by 1 over 4. When we convert dividing into multiply, the denominator comes numerator and numerator comes the denominator. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now 7 twos are 14, 1 comes denominator. Question number 15, 4 and 1 over 5 dividing by 1 and 1 over 5. 5 fours are 20. When we add 1, answer will be 21 over 5. Dividing by 5 ones are 5, add 1, 6 over 5. When we convert this divide into multiply, answer will be 5 over 6. Now 5 ones are 5, 3 twos are 6, 3 sevens are 21. 7 ones are 7, 2 ones are 2. When we divide 7 by 2, answer will be 3 and 1 over 2. Question number 16, 7 over 20 minus 7 over 30. Take the LCM is 16. 2 3s are 16, 3 sevens are 21. 3 twos are 16, 7 twos are 14. When we minus 14 from 21, answer will be 7 over 16.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the video. Thank you very much.